Hello there, welcome back. So on this 2011 Chevy Equinox, so just want to show you guys or even explain to you how I remove this AC condenser. But first I want to take it to the step, so I remove the bumper first. So you have to remove some screws and bolt clips, which are these. So you have some clips right here that you have to remove from the bumper. Go to this guard right here, go in this hole. And these are some T20. You're gonna need a T20 to remove these screws, T20 stocks. And these let me show you the socket I use to remove those bolts. Okay, so now I use this 7 socket to remove these bolts right here that go also hold the bumper. And this I use to remove the clips, these black clips right here. This is the T20 Torx that I use. Also, I have to remove this guard, this piece go right here. That's this guys, this black guard go right here in the front, and this piece right here go over the top of the radiator. Alright, so this is the bumper right here. It's the inside of the bumper. And these are some other clips I removed from the top of the bumper also. These are the same T-Torx 20 screws and clips. And these are the bolt that hold the condenser. These are some 13 bolts that hold the condenser to the radiator. So it go in this hole, go right here, and one right here, and right here I have some 13 nuts that goes right here. So these are the nuts that hold it 13. So I use this half-inch socket, to remove it. So all you need to do after removing the pipes out the way, there are 2 pipes this side. I'm gonna remove these pipes, and I'm gonna pull the radiator up in the air so you can get out the slot, the condenser, sorry, not the radiator. So as you can see right here, someone is trying to patch it. So it's leak. All of them that I do have a leak right here to the passenger side. That's it right there, guys. Alright, and there you go. So if this video helped you guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.